Good afternoon, judges. I'm Mabel.
I'm Joanna.
I'm Ivan.
I'm Leon.
And we are from Springfield Secondary School. Today, we are going to share on our project on investigation of the efficiency of the air conditioner.
As you know, air conditioners are used around the world in shopping centers and offices. In the experiment, we used two different brands of air conditioner, mainly the Panasonic brand air conditioner and the Samsung brand air conditioner. We also used a data logger which consists of temperature sensor and lux meter. We also used a torchlight in our experiment. We placed a data logger inside the room to measure the inside room temperature, and we placed another data logger outside the room to measure the outside room temperature. We collected 10 samples over 5 hours. And this is the table that we get. So for each set of sample, we actually calculated the temperature difference by taking the outside temperature minus the inside temperature.
So, after obtaining the previous table, we actually obtained this graph, which is actually as shown on the screen. We actually take the points and we actually example the yellow points. We actually add up all 10 points and we divide by 10. And this is how we obtain this yellow graph. As seen on each line represents, example, this purple line actually represents day 5. This actually represents day 25, and this represents day 50, and the blue line actually represents day 70. So as the day progresses, the aircon filter actually becomes dirtier, which actually shows that the temperature difference between the aircon and the outside room increases. This actually shows that there's a correlationship between the temperature difference and the air filter. So after we had this table, we can actually add each point and actually find the average temperature of each day, and this is how we correlation to the 1 point in the next graph.
This graph shows the temperature difference against the time in terms of hours. From 0 hour to 10 hour, there is a gentle gradient where temperature difference between the outside temperature and inside temperature is small. The aircon filter is clean. From 10 hour to 30 hour, there's a steeper gradient where the temperature difference is larger. The aircon filters become dirtier over time. From 30 hour onwards, there is the graph that is increasing exponentially. Temperature difference continue to increase as the filter gets dirtier.
To follow up, the first year air conditioner, the efficiency is at optimum because air conditioner is still very clean. While for the second week, the efficiency of air conditioner starts to decrease, so as because the filters gets dirtier. While the third week, the efficiency of air conditioner is at its worst since the filter is at its dirtiest.
In conclusion, when the dirtier the filter, the aircon compressor has to work harder to maintain the same temperature. For example, if we set the aircon at 25 degrees Celsius, the filter is dirty. The aircon compressor has to work harder to obtain the same temperature, which is 25 degrees Celsius. Furthermore, through this experiment, we hope to find out the optimum time to wash the aircon filter. Since at about 30 hours, the graph starts to increase exponentially, so we can conclude that the filter should be washed between 7 to 10 days.
So in our experiment, we want to investigate two different things. One will be the relationship between the dirtiness of the filter and the efficiency of air conditioner, and the other is to investigate optimal timing in washing the air conditioner is to maximize the efficiency. So our conclusion will be the dirtier the filter, the air conditioner will require more energy to function, as well as the recommended frequency of washing air conditioner will be to wash it once per week. For public awareness, we will inform the public that we have to wash it once per week so as to reduce on their electrical bills, so as do not spend so much on electrical bills on air conditioner.
We know that
You all want to save your electrical bills.
Therefore, we have to wash our aircon filters
Once a week.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah!
1, 2, 3.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.